In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before we started, it's important to check whether your device is compatible with Apple Intelligence. Devices like the iPhone 15 Pro, 16, 17, and some iPads and Macs support this feature. To check which iPhone you have, go to Settings, then About, and verify the model. Once you have confirmed your device is compatible, the next step is to ensure that your phone is running the latest version of iOS. As of now, you'll need iOS 26.1. To access Apple Intelligence, once updated, go to Settings, scroll down to Apple Intelligence and Siri and toggle Apple Intelligence on. You might need to wait for it to download some information, and you will also need to enable Siri as they work together. To activate Siri, tap on Hey Siri and follow the prompts. After setting up Siri, you will see a visual border around your background indicating the Apple Intelligence is active. This visual border replaces the old spinning Siri icon, showing you that both Siri and Apple Intelligence are now ready to use. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.